cross-country skiing today.
That sounds cool.
Yeah, does that sound cool?
Yeah.
We're going to mix two sports because there's so much snow out here that it's going to help you walk on the ice better. It's actually going to wind up being a better lesson for you.
Okay.
Can I see how you walk? You want to try walking towards me? Oh, I'm very impressed. This is good. Here, we're going to go along the rail over here on this side. You learned from your friend Ruby?
Yeah, Ruby's in purple over there.
Okay, now you're gonna look at me instead of looking at me. There you go. That's good dad have. So you're basically gonna walk on the ice and show me how you walk. Now you're pretty people, so I'm gonna take a couple of steps back. I'm gonna ask you to come towards me. Look up at me. Arms down. Oh my goodness, that was great.
So don't to the side. No, you can.
Yeah. I think in the basement. Should make a design. Hey guys, make a design that you want people to hey guys, make like a big figure 8 track or something that you want people to skate around in. Yeah, we did that before. You make a maze. This is the Buckskill Winter Club in East Hampton, New York. We are having a blizzard right now. We are an outdoor, seasonal, refrigerated ice rink. NHL size, 85 by 200. This is our beautiful clubhouse in the background. And here's just a look of a quick pan around of our ice rink. We put this out on the tennis courts. This is actually a tennis club during the summer called Buckskill Tennis Club. But we actually have some hardcore skaters out here today who braved the blizzard conditions to drive over. Here are some of our skate guards trying to make a dent in the ice. The Zamboni just left the ice a few minutes ago. It's snowing so quickly that we already have a 2-inch buildup since the Zamboni left the ice. So I'm going to have to go inside and put the skates on one of my children, but I will be back. Thank you.